10. Android hacking. GitHub tools. Every hacker should know. Android devices are everywhere, and security researchers constantly test them to discover vulnerabilities, improve defenses, and understand how mobile systems work. GitHub hosts thousands of open-source security projects, and many of them are extremely useful for Android security testing. In this video, we will explore 10 Android hacking tools available on GitHub that every ethical hacker and cybersecurity enthusiast should know. These tools are designed for learning penetration testing research and security analysis in authorized environments. AndroRAT. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool. It is one of the most well-known Android security research projects on GitHub. The tool demonstrates how remote administration can be performed on Android devices. Security researchers use it to understand remote access techniques and identify weaknesses in mobile security configurations. Studying AndroRAT can help learners understand permissions, device control, and mobile security risks. MobSF Mobile Security Framework, or MobSF, is one of the most powerful mobile application security testing platforms available today. It allows researchers to perform static analysis, dynamic analysis, and malware analysis on Android applications. With MobSF, security professionals can identify insecure code, hard-coded secrets, weak encryption methods, and many other vulnerabilities. It is widely used by penetration testers and bug bounty hunters around the world. APKTool. APKTool is a popular reverse engineering tool used to decode Android application packages. It allows researchers to inspect application resources, analyze application structure, and understand how Android apps are built. Developers and security testers frequently use APKTool to audit applications and discover security flaws that may be hidden inside mobile software. Drozer. Drozer is a comprehensive Android security assessment framework. It helps researchers interact with Android applications and evaluate exposed components. Using Drozer, security testers can discover insecure services, content providers' activities, and broadcast receivers. It remains one of the most respected Android penetration testing tools in the cybersecurity community. Objection. Objection is a runtime mobile exploration toolkit powered by Frida. It allows researchers to inspect mobile applications while they are running. Security professionals use Objection to bypass certain security controls, inspect application behavior, and test mobile app defenses. It is especially useful for dynamic analysis and security research. Frida. Frida is one of the most powerful dynamic instrumentation tools available for Android and many other platforms. Researchers can inject scripts into running applications and observe their behavior in real time. Frida is widely used for reverse engineering application testing and understanding how mobile applications process sensitive information. JADX is an open-source decompiler that converts Android bytecode into readable Java source code. This makes it much easier for researchers to understand how an application works internally. Security analysts often use JADX to inspect app logic, identify vulnerabilities, and learn from existing Android applications. QARK. QARK stands for Quick Android Review Kit. It was developed to help identify common Android security vulnerabilities. The framework scans applications and provides detailed reports highlighting potential security issues. It is particularly useful for developers who want to improve the security of their Android applications before deployment. ApkLeaks. ApkLeaks is designed to discover sensitive information hidden inside Android application packages. It can identify exposed API keys, tokens, URLs, credentials, and other potentially sensitive data. Security researchers use ApkLeaks during reconnaissance and application assessments to uncover information that should not be publicly accessible. SQLMap. Although SQLMap is not Android-specific, it is frequently used during Android application security testing.